What's going on, everybody? This is Jacqueline Price. Welcome back to my new YouTube channel. And today I want to show you how to make money with Facebook. How to make money with Facebook. It's going to be absolutely amazing. It's easy to do. But first, just a little bit about me. Make sure that you comment on my video, like the video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any amazing updates. And I just want to share, I've been working online since 2018 full time, and it has been a journey. Every day has not been successful, but it's so worth it when you go after your dreams and you know that you can make money online with Facebook. Like, millions of people are on Facebook. And so instead of just, doing, doing the normal things, use your profile to make money. So you want to make sure you got a good photo, of yourself. Make sure you got a good Facebook cover photo, and you're going to be straight. We're going to show you exactly how to do it, how you can make money with your Facebook profile instead of just using it, for just to talk and yak and share memes and stuff like that. You can actually make money. You can monetize it and, be able to come away with some full-time income, right from the comfort of your home with your Facebook profile. So guys, this is my page and I just want to show you just a little bit, of my page. I posted this yesterday, just rules about money. And let's see, I'm just going to go down and show you, I have a new Facebook tool. I'll put that link, in the description as well. It helps you add organic traffic to your page, which is absolutely amazing. You're going to need that. Here is a curiosity post that I put up. You cannot have what you refuse to build. And I'm just showing proof of payments here that I've made using my Facebook profile. A payment of 450, payment of 500, 550, 250, 650, and it goes on and on and on and on. And so, it's just a way, to use your Facebook profile to earn money. And so what I want to do is I want to share with you the program that I'm using, the platform that I am using that helps me earn money with my Facebook page. And so we're going to go over here to the Facebook group. The Facebook group is Successful Solution Method, and it's an open group. So you can, join the group and reach out to me when you do so that you can get my link so you can get started. What you want to do is go to www.profitwithjackie.com www.profitwithjackie.com. And so what I want to do here now is I want to show you the Facebook group. Right now we have 7,000, 700 members. Look at that. Wow. That is absolutely incredible. And so let's go through and look at some of the posts. Okay, here's a guy. He says he woke up, made coffee, and ding, got greeted with $450 in commissions. See, this is what's up right here. This is absolutely amazing. Okay, here's another guy overwhelmed with so much joy and gratitude right now. Another $600 day. Do you see the potential that you have with this particular platform? Successful Solution Method. How you can earn money with your Facebook profile. Look, here's another one. While cooking for the family, when dinner popped out of the oven, this popped in my inbox. Oops, wait a minute. Okay, here it is. $50. Wow, that's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So she's excited. She just got started. She just purchased traffic. And guys, without traffic, you don't have a business. I don't care what business you're in. Oh, wow. Here's another guy. Wow. Did not see this coming. Sitting in the doctor's office, social distancing from my fiance. Then this came up. Wow. Just following the task, plain and simple. Thanks, SSM. So let's see. How much did he get? 200, 300, 4, $500. Do you see the potential? Oh, wow. Awesome results in my first 7 pay periods. $5,099. No auto ships, no recruiting, no rejection, no selling. See how simple it is, guys? This is the proof in the Facebook page. This is in the Facebook group how you can see the proof. You can see all of the proof right here. She says they're loving this program. It's absolutely amazing. She just bought her second package, traffic package. She just had a coaching call. You know, you're going to get so much support in this group. We have it's set up so uniquely. It's no one else is doing this, guys. No one else, no one else in the industry is doing this where newbies can win. She says, I was on my way to the hospital emergency and my daughter just started running a temperature. She checked her phone beeped and she has another $50 payment. This is absolutely incredible. Incredible, incredible, incredible. Another coaching call, someone else, another, gosh, look at this. How much is this? 100, 150. Wow. $300, guys. $300. You know, I'm just showing you the proof. I'm just showing you all the proof of this amazing platform, Successful Solution Method. Another coaching call. See, you're not going to be left alone. Another coaching call. You will not be left alone if you join me. Go to my website now, www.profitwithjackie.com. Check it out. Join the Facebook group. Okay, here's another one. Another $50 came in for someone. Someone else buying traffic. Another $200 came in. So guys, I just want to say that if you are brand new to the online world and maybe if you're not brand new and you've never had success online, this is the perfect program for you. You will have success. All you have to do is go to my site, www.profitwithjackie.com. Send me a message, send me a text. My number is going to be down below. Connect with me on Facebook so we can help you get started, because I'm going to share with you the thing about this program is it is very newbie friendly. And the training is what you're paying for. You're going to be trained how to market. You're going to be trained how to get your page set up so that you can attract people. You're going to be trained how to do things on YouTube. You're going to be trained on video marketing. You're going to be trained. You're going to be trained. You're going to be trained. You're going to be trained how to market. You'll be able to take away everything that you learn with this program, and you'll be able to do any business anywhere. The skills that we learn are absolutely amazing. The skills that we learn in this particular program are absolutely amazing. And I want you to connect with me on Facebook. This is my Facebook page. I want to make sure that you click the link in the description so that you can get started with this program. You may be struggling maybe from what's going on. You may need an extra stream of income. Guys, and I'm going to tell you, if you're on Facebook, you might as well get paid from it, right? If you're on Facebook, you might as well get paid from it. And, you know, I just wanted to make sure that I let you know that this program is absolutely amazing and you can make money on Facebook with your profile by joining this particular platform. And that is what I want to share with everybody. I appreciate you so much for making a comment down below. I appreciate you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I want to say to you now, welcome to my online world. It's going to be amazing. All you have to do is click the link and get started, connect with me, and it's going to be an amazing ride. This has been Jacqueline Price, and I will see you on the next video.